The Philippines has a very diverse and unique culture. Throughout the recorded history, Filipinos have embraced many different cultures to form their own. With more than 7,000 islands, the archipelagic nature of the Philippines lends itself to a diversity of cultures and costumes. Pinoys are often known for their joyful spirits and hospitality, proven in the slogan, "It's more fun in the Philippines." The most popular clothing that has been a big part of the Filipino identity are the Barong Tagalog for men and Barong Saya for women. Back then, the Filipino clothing style was being influenced by the Spaniards who colonized the Philippines from 1565 to 1898. Traditional Filipino games or indigenous games in the Philippines are games commonly played by children, usually using native materials or instruments. Laro ng lahi was coined and popularized by the Samahang Makasining with the help of National Commission for Culture and the Arts, and being used by the other Philippine Local Government Unit or LGU. Traditional Philippine games such as Luksong Baka, Patintero, Pico, and Tombang Preso are played primarily as children's game. Each country is different from the rest of the world, but what is really about the Philippines that makes it stand out among the others? Of course, the Pearl of Orient Seas is not just famous for its beautiful islands, but also for its Filipino culture and values that deserve to be shared to the world. Filipinos value traditions and culture. For us, Filipinos, traditions are important. We usually set aside a specific day for a certain celebration like festivals, birthday, parties, reunions, and many more. Here's everything you need to know about the Philippines, from the Filipino norms to the cultural practices in the Philippines and more.
samba, coming into Manila with the heat and drums, yeah. Shake it up and dance it like no more drama. Shut the doors, just really finish with I got. The world keeps talking, but we ain't walking. We keep on dancing, that's how we rock it. 7,107, I don't